go. So today we're gonna be learning about basic algebra. And no, it won't be so basic. It'll be actually fun. Okay, so let's start. Okay, what's brown? Yeah. Let's say we have a box full of values. Sorry if it's imperfect. Called X. So X is the box full of values. Sorry for my illegible handwriting. Thank you, Zero Razor Tool. And so basically X is a re, va, re, variable. So what we know about X is that it's a variable. Now it's not just a letter in the alphabet, it's a variable for math. So long ago they used different types of variables, but in modernized math we just use X. So let's start with this problem. 4 plus X that blue is 10. So 4 plus X is 10. So how do we find the value of X? So X is like really confusing, but once you get the hang of it, you will be a master in no time. So let's take a box over here. We'll call this the subtraction box. That's right. If we're using one operation in algebra to solve for X, we have to use the other. And if we're using the other, we should use the first. So let's go. Let's add 10 in here. And 4. Now 4 minus 10 is impossible. We'll be learning about negative numbers. But we can do minus 4. So it will be 6. And thus X is it's 6. Shit, my mouse. Sorry if I forgot. X is 6. This is basic. Oh, time to clear it. Bye bye. Have some patience while I clear. By then you can jot down your problems and solve them if you're actually like really fast. And done. Now let's do another example. 12 minus X is 3. So 12 minus x is 3. How do we solve for x? Now we interchange it from subtraction to addition. So what's the opposite? So you have to do the opposite operation. Okay, let me draw a diagram. Don't mind the box. So you can interchange addition and subtraction, and sorry for my illegible handwriting because the computer is just so bad. And multiplication and division. So basically, we throw both of these into the box. So, what is... I think it's pretty hard. Yes. What? Sometimes we just break the rules. When it's like this, 1 minus x, a number minus x is 3. Is that is another number? Just subtract them. 1 minus 3. And then x, we propel it up, and x is now 9. So now it's actually really basic. If you want more examples, I can't do any more examples. You can replay from the beginning if you want some more examples. And yeah, so for the people who already solved, not that, let me give you a question. Okay. 12 times. Why is my handwriting so perfect? 12 times x is 156. 12 times x. Now since x looks really similar to the multiplication symbol and mistakes are prone, we can just write 12x or if you're really fancy, 12 dot over here x. But here in India, this dot just refers to a decimal point. Only a decimal point over here. That center dot is a decimal point here in India also. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing so I can produce more content like this. Bye!